to the wonderful people of the United States. Hello to every amazing soul from the land of dreams and possibilities. The United States of America, a country of over 330 million bright minds, filled with innovation, creativity, and inspiration that continues to shape the world. From the buzzing cities to the peaceful countrysides, America has always been a symbol of courage, hope, and imagination. You've built dreams that inspired generations, created art that touched hearts, and led ideas that changed history. So today, I reach out to you not just as a viewer, but as a partner in this creative journey. Your one click on that subscribe button isn't just a number, it's a bridge between hearts across oceans. A handshake that says, I believe in your vision. When you subscribe, you don't just support a creator, you become part of a growing family that values knowledge, positivity, and connection. Each click helps this small channel grow into something powerful, a place where stories, history, and ideas come alive for people all over the world. So if you're watching from the US, take a moment today to hit that subscribe button. Stay connected, and let's continue to learn, grow, and inspire together. Your support means the world, more than words can ever express. With deep respect, gratitude, and admiration,